Cryptocurrencies are often viewed as a barometer of risk appetite. Tony Sycamore is a market analyst from IG Australia. He joins me now in Sydney. Hi Tony, just talk us through what triggered this latest sell-off.
Yeah, hi Sam. We saw the Bitcoin sell-off really start to accelerate on October the 10th. A sudden flash crash there saw $370 billion wiped off market capitalization in hours. Now, the trigger was US President Donald Trump's surprise announcement of 100% tariffs on Chinese imports, which just ignited a cascade of liquidation across leverage positions in the crypto space and also in US equities and global equity markets.
Now, Tony, the selling has continued today. Have we seen the bottom yet?
We actually hit a low of $80,537 on Friday night, which was about 35% below its record high, which ironically came just 4 days below that flash crash October the 10th. But since then, we've seen Bitcoin finding some support, and also at that 80,000 low from Friday night, we're seeing signs of capitulation as well, which does appear more significant because it's occurred above the Liberation Day lows around $75,000.
Now, Bitcoin was meant to exist outside the financial system, Tony, but it seems like it's becoming increasingly institutionalized and is no longer an isolated ecosystem.
It is. It's become much more mainstream, and that brings pros and cons for the crypto market. But what we're really seeing in terms of flows, in that initial sell-off, we saw institutional buyers. They were happy to pick up crypto assets on dips, but that has since turned around. In November, they have been very much more sellers, and that's added to this cascading price action, which we've seen in November.
Now, Bitcoin has wiped out all of its 2025 gains. Is the crypto winter here? Are we heading for a deep freeze?
I don't think we're going to see something similar like from FTX, for example. I think we have seen a brutal wave of liquidations across crypto assets. But as we mentioned, there is some signs of capitulation now. The other thing is volumes have started to drop off, and that's another good sign of capitulation. So at this point of time, I think we've probably seen some stabilization ahead of that $80,000 level, and potentially we can start to see it rebound from here.
Tony Sycamore, market analyst from IG Australia. Always great to have you on the program, and thanks so much for your insights.
Thank you.